Good morning. In our series of Advent messages, Jesus to us, Jesus for us, today let's ponder our thoughts on the Almighty God. The story we have taken is Jesus calming the storms. Let's hear the word from Hannah.
The reading is taken from Mark chapter 4, verses 35 to 41. Jesus calms the storm. That day, when evening came, he said to his disciples, "Let us go over to the other side." Leaving the crowd behind, they took him along just as he was in the boat. There were also other boats with him. A furious squall came up, and the waves broke over the boat so that it was nearly swamped. Jesus was in the stern, sleeping on a cushion. The disciples woke him and said to him, "Teacher, don't you care if we drown?" He got up, rebuked the wind, and said to the waves, "Quiet, be still." Then the wind died down and it was completely calm. He said to his disciples, "Why are you so afraid? Do you still have no faith?" They were terrified and asked each other, "Who is this? Even the wind and the waves obey him."
Calming the storm is one of the miracles of Jesus in the Gospels reported in Matthew, Mark, and Luke. There is a lot in this story that we could learn and apply to our lives. Why is Jesus calming the storm is so important? This story shows up that God is with us even when we don't realize it. He is in control of every situation and He is with us in the storm. It is incredible to see the peace that Jesus had in this situation and the complete turmoil the disciples were in. Jesus was at peace. He was not worried about the storm around them. There is no reason for the disciples to be afraid. We know that Jesus knew what was going on from the beginning because He reprimanded the disciples for the lack of faith. They didn't trust in God that all He could do and would do. At that moment, the disciples had more fear of the storm than the trust in God.
The story highlighted some of our key components of our walk with God. There are trials that we come against, but we must trust in God and His sovereignty over all situations. Both the disciples and we learn today from this story the significance of our faith in times of trials and temptations, and can grow our confidence in the fact that God is in total control. What can we learn from Jesus calming the storms? In our everyday life, in every small things, that God is in control. Our hope is in God, the Almighty God. When Jesus calms the storm in the New Testament, we are encouraged today that God is also with us in the middle of our storms of life. Please join us in singing this song. Hide me now under your wings. Cover me within your mighty hand. When the oceans rise and thunders roll, I will soar with you above the storm. wish you all a blessed Christmas.